Hello everyone, today I, Srijan Sharma, a student of class ninth, is here to talk about coronavirus, fitness from home. The coronavirus pandemic, as we all know, has forced all of us to work and work out from home. As people exercise at home, many have started enjoying the benefits it brings with it. In the world post COVID 19, will home workouts become the new normal? That's the big question. The coronavirus pandemic has changed many things, and our perception towards our health and fitness is definitely one of them. As we stay at home, eat healthy, exercise regularly, maintain more than regular hygiene by washing our hands and sanitizing everything we bring from outside, a lot of us has come to the realization that life as we knew it has changed and will continue to change even when the virus is gone. Life after COVID 19. Even after the gyms open up, should you continue to work at home? Well, as a measure to curb the coronavirus pandemic, various countries, including India, had imposed a lockdown. While the restrictions are lifted in some areas, they continue to remain the same in others. As a precautionary measure, public places like clubs, malls, gyms, etc. were closed and continue to stay closed even in the red and orange zones. After the lockdown was extended beyond the 4th of May and considerable relaxations in these areas were given, the popular opinion, however, is that even after the gyms open up, a lot of people would prefer to not go there and find alternative ways of including physical activities and exercises in their daily routine. Home workouts. Is it the new way to stay fit? Well, as a matter of fact, gyms around the world are closed. People have opted for home workouts, which they seem to be enjoying more than ever. However, home workouts have definitely given people the freedom to work out at their own will, without time restrictions. Some people are also less conscious and are able to perform much better with nobody around. People are also realizing that they do not need to spend a lot of money on gym memberships just to stay fit. As people stay at home, they are finding new, innovative ways to replace gym equipment and find their way to fitness. As for the spread of infectious germs, gyms has been called the hotspots of the coronavirus spread. In the beginning of the pandemic, they were one of the first places to be closed down to slow down and prevent the spread of infection. Gym machines, weights, and places around the gyms are constantly touched by so many people who come there. These people are also continuously touching their face, water bottles, face towels, etc., which can increase the risk of the spread of this infectious disease, coronavirus. As much as they may want, gym administration cannot practically keep up sanitizing or disinfecting all the surfaces since there are so many. While you exercise, you may also need to place your stuff on surfaces around you, which can act as a link for transmission of this infectious disease, coronavirus. While it is personal call to go back to the gym or work out from home, once the situation normalizes, we all know that is not going to be anytime soon. However, exercise still remains extremely important to stay healthy and must be included in your routine in some or the other way. Until then, stay home, stay safe.